President Trump and the First Lady are in Alabama today, getting a first-hand look at the damage following Sunday's tornadoes in Lee County. That's where we begin tonight. I'm Connor Board.
And I'm Mike Black. Kristen Holmes has more on his presidential visit as the community mourns the loss of 23 lives.
Thank you, fellas. Thank you.
President Trump in Alabama, touring ground zero of Sunday's deadly tornado outbreak.
We saw things that you wouldn't believe. Here it is.
The first family visiting parts of Lee County, meeting with people impacted by the EF4 tornado, as well as families who lost loved ones. 23 people were killed and parts of the community destroyed.
A lot of the folks get aid, and we're providing all of the aid. Again, we love you all. We thank you all. We love the state of Alabama.
The president spending time with Governor Kay Ivey and first responders.
I want to thank you for the job you do. You're incredible people.
And reiterating his commitment to help with the recovery process. On Tuesday, President Trump declared the situation a major disaster, ordering federal aid to the state. Flags are flying at half-staff across Alabama until sundown Sunday, honoring the lives lost, ranging in age from 6 to 89 years old. The youngest victim, 6-year-old Armando A.J. Hernandez. As residents grieve and start the recovery process, they're facing another threat of severe weather this weekend, though weather experts say the danger is not as great as last weekend. In Washington, I'm Kristen Holmes reporting.
And if you would like to donate to the American Red Cross, just go to our Rocket City Now website and look for the Donate to Red Cross icon on the right side of the page. And stay with WZDX on air and online for our continuing coverage on Sunday's deadly tornado in Lee County. You can also get more updates on our Rocket City Now app and website.